fantastic crowd, and we've got some fantastic speakers as well.
This election, we have the chance to tell the government what's really important, to demand a real plan for the future and to say enough to big business handouts and corporate welfare, and stop them from turning Medicare into a privatised US-style disaster.
They want you and you and you to pay for your own health care. And if you can't, tough. We must defend what we've got. Medicare is universal insurance for everyone.
This Liberal government has cut $1.2 billion from aged care.
We need more RNs in aged care, not less, because we are the ones who provide leadership. By removing RNs in aged care, there will be more costs transferred to overstretched emergency departments.
The Liberals have cut $57 billion from our hospitals. This means longer waiting times in emergency rooms, and I can tell you as a nurse that every minute counts. These cuts mean fewer beds, longer queues for surgery, thousands of job losses for doctors and nurses.
We have the most arrogant disregard of the rights of ADIC workers. In 2013, the New South Wales Parliament passed the Enabling Act. Google it, and you will find this one and the act by the same name that Hitler passed in 1933. It doesn't enable the NDIS, it enables this government to strip ADIC workers of their industrial rights, and it's coming to a workplace near you.
The Liberals are attacking our living standards by losing penalty rates. The Liberals want to take away the money that we deserve when we give up our weekends and public holidays to work. And then, of course, there is the centrepiece of the Liberals' economic plan to give more tax cuts to billionaires and corporations. Last year, 580 companies earning more than $100 million used offshore havens and other loopholes to pay not 1 cent. And yet this Liberal government has the gall, to tell you that it's you who must live within your means.
We need to think over the next 5 weeks, every conversation counts. We've got to change minds because it's the vulnerable in our society who continue to be kicked, downtrodden by this government.
We are going to send a crystal clear message that we will not tolerate any further attacks on our living standards. We will not tolerate an ideology that rips beds from the sick, care from the elderly, and education from our kids. You know that there is a better way to build a better future for this country.